how to import a CSV file or a text file into Access. I've downloaded the staff records zip file from the VLE. I'm now going to start Access. Oh no, I'm not. I have to take the staff records text out of the zip file in order to use it. Okay, I already have it on my desktop, so I'll just replace it. Okay, so it's on my desktop there, I believe, ready for me to import it. So I'll start Access. There we are. And I'm going to create a blank database to receive the information. It's asking me what I'm going to call it. And in the assessment, you actually get points for doing this, even before you start anything more difficult. So I'll call it Staff DB, and I'll save it in Barry's databases. There we are. And OK. Now, once I've noted its name and the place to save it, I press Create, and Access does the magic for us. Okay, of all of the tabs down here, the surest way to import information is to use the one called External Data. So I'm going to choose External Data. And some of you may have the correct shortcuts around here on your own PC, but mine doesn't. And the surest way, therefore, to do it is to select New Data Source from this menu. And the one I want is from File and from, remember what I said about CSV being a text file? I will choose Text File. Okay, zoom out. Access is set up to import information straight away, so we don't have to consider anything down here. That's for another day. So I'm going to go Browse and select my source. It's on my desktop, and it's called Staff Records, and open. Now, and then press OK. OK, thank you, security. Open it anyway. Now, Access will ask us a lot of questions in order to import the data correctly. Don't need to bother with the first one, but we can go on and hit Next. Now, if you notice here, the very important question is, first row contains field names. And when I look at the data, I see the columns all headed by staff number, surname, first name, sex, department. Yes, the first row does contain the field names. So I want to tick this. And generally, most data that's been exported from Excel, either as a straightforward Excel file, Excel worksheet, or as an Excel CSV file, will have the first row containing the field names. So we do check that. Go to Next. Now, we can set the data types here, but it's a much easier window to do it inside Access. So I'm going to go Next. This is important. At the moment, Access is adding its own primary key. That's the unique identifying field for each record. But if we see already in staff number, this database already has a unique field. So I'm going to choose my own primary key from the record given. And if it's not in the right place, I can go looking for it, but it's always usually at the front, and it's going to be staff number. Okay, so I've imported it, I've accepted the field names, and I've told which one to be the primary key. That's the key that Access uses to search the records. Next. Oh, and import the table, and finish. The machine will buzz away and close. I don't need to save any steps. And there it is. There's my field with, my table with staff records there. And my next task would be go to design view. So that's home tab, file, design view, and then I would go through and sort out my data types. Okay, thank you very much.